We make these brackets specifically to fit your tooth. The fit is very snug and very low profile, so it makes it very comfortable on your tongue. And also, because they're hidden behind your teeth, no one will ever know you're wearing them.
In the long run, I'm glad I did not go with Invisalign because, as I understand Invisalign, you put it in and take it out of your mouth, particularly when it comes to eating time. And that's really not something in which I would necessarily feel comfortable with. So I'm glad to have something permanent in my mouth, something permanent that I can, eat with as well.
In a professional setting around coworkers, you don't really want to be, somebody brings in cupcakes for people's lunch. It's like, oh, I've got to go back to my desk and take my aligners out before I can have these. There's a lot of, there's the potential for a lot of awkward situations where it's like, oh, excuse me for a minute. And then, oh, I've got to go brush my teeth now. And it's so, I just think there's a lot of inconvenience to doing that versus doing the incognito.
I had a lot of black in my smile. I had little gaps in between. Because I'm an actor, I was told, for instance, that I wouldn't be able to do print and film work with that much black in my smile, with that much gappage. And having a really straight Hollywood smile can do a lot for your day-to-day self-esteem, and it certainly has for me.
It was interesting because it was pretty much right after I got them on that I would have people that wouldn't know me that well, wouldn't necessarily know that I had decided to get braces myself, but they would say something like, something's different about you. Did you change your hair? They could tell there was something going on with my face that was different, and so that was kind of cool.
I would definitely sing the praises of it to anyone because I think they really are. The technology is so advanced that it's come so far that it is as convenient as traditional ones are in that regard. And I think for adults especially, it's a tremendous option.
I mean, no one wants to be that brace face in the yearbook that looks really dorky, so it makes you feel more confident when you're out there and you don't have braces. And for homecoming dances and special occasions, it does feel nice knowing that you don't have to worry about braces on your teeth.
We generally associate braces with adolescence, with immaturity. I didn't want that to be something that was going to hold me back. I've worked far too hard in my career to have something like that even be an issue, whether real or perceived.
I didn't pick Incognito, Incognito picked me. I guess I was a difficult enough case where Invisalign wouldn't work. I do a lot of presentations in front of clients, as well as a lot of meetings with clients. I wish I'd done it earlier.